Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Dave.
Noel. Nick. Noel.
Noel. Nick and Noel are here, the two ends. The two ends. The ends of the... Ow! That was just mean.
Yeah.
We are working on the 24 Days of Christmas. This is the Lego City Advent Calendar. I don't know what's going on behind me. Today is day 23.
23.
22. Do you guys know tomorrow is Christmas Eve?
No, I did not. Please, tell me more.
Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Really, that's all I've got to say about it. It's,
okay.
You know, if you haven't got your Christmas shopping done,
I'm sorry,
you're
too late.
You're too late. It's just...
You already bought everything you probably would have wanted anyways.
We did?
Yes, we did. Now pay up.
I'm sorry, y'all need to get a job.
Let's go.
I think Nick is in a hurry. Should we roll the credits now, you think?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Roll those credits.
Hi.
All right, Mr. Nick. Can you find day 23? It's somewhere on this box. It's right there.
Okay. It's the second half of the train.
If you guessed it was the second half of the train,
Ren.
You were right.
Ren. A tren.
So you're saying that this is tra, and that's no, this is t, and that tra.
Look at what you've done, you monster.
I killed the train. It's okay. See, I saved it. So.
There's still poop on Shirley's bottle.
Well,
She's just gonna have to get over it.
Yes. Work on the rest of the train. So, I think I know what I get to build tomorrow.
You get to build a fat man.
No. Enrich.
He's a fat man.
Well, either way, he's dressed up like Santa Claus. So that's what I'm going to build tomorrow.
Wait. Okay.
I'm a little concerned. He doesn't know how to put the tires on. Or the wheels, or...
It's on the train, go! Let me see it.
No. It's his day. He got it!
Did you get it in the right way?
There's 1 of 4. Two of 4. I think he's on a roll now.
Very funny, Dad.
Why do you keep doing that?
They don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, but I do. So, you guys expecting anything good for Christmas?
Yes. I think this is a joke to you? You think we're a joke? Are we that funny?
I just think it's funny that you're expecting good stuff for Christmas. Do you really think you deserve good stuff? Anybody? See,
What about you?
No, I don't expect anything good for Christmas. I've given up on that. Does he know what he's doing? Whoopsie! He killed the train.
The caboose. Green, white, beige. Green, white, yellow.
Weird. I don't understand some of these lighting setups. It just doesn't make sense.
What part do you not understand?
Well, this one's longer than that one. Why?
Which one?
That one is longer than that one. See?
I don't understand.
That's what I was saying. I don't understand.
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Let's see. It does look like you're done. Well, choo choo!
Time to hook it up to the train.
And then it rides along. Put it up here where people can see it. You broke it! I don't understand why.
I didn't do it. Run.
There we have it. We have our completed train with a really tall smokestack on the back and a really short one. I don't get it. Do you all get it?
They're presents.
You think those are presents?
Yes, those are presents.
Somebody must have been really good and everybody else was just mediocre or bad. That one is probably for me, and
No, it's not. It's not for you anymore.
Not anymore. Oh well, maybe better luck next year. So, day 23 is done. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve.
Like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Yeah, like, comment, and
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you right here on DIY Dave and Company tomorrow. Christmas Eve.
bye.
The last day of waiting for Santa. The day before we get our presents. And my turn to build. Bye.
Bye.